My name is Joe Freidhoff, and I serve as Vice President of Michigan Virtual, a nonprofit organization whose mission is to advance both learning and teaching through research, practice, and partnerships. For more than 20 years, we have been focused on providing digital learning opportunities to primary and secondary students, as well as educators who work in such settings. In 2012, we were asked by our legislature to create a Center for Online Learning Research and Innovation. We are closing in on a decade of launching and building the Michigan Virtual Learning Research Institute into a national and international resource for best practices in K-12 online learning. It's with great pleasure and excitement that I welcome the Kosova Center for Digital Education to our field. All around the world, school systems are grappling with how to better meet the diverse needs of students, to provide each individual student with a learning environment and program that is tailored to the specific needs of the child. Additionally, students and their parents seek the flexibility to learn in ways that maximizes a student's learning interest, style, and schedule. They also want access to the highest quality instruction and content and a broad range of curriculum, no matter one's physical location or financial condition. Digital learning is touted as a medium for bringing such desires to fruition, but let me be clear. Digital learning is not a promise of success. It's only a pathway with potential and possibility, not a guarantee. Navigating that pathway responsibly requires disciplined inquiry into what works, for whom it works, and under what circumstances and conditions are most likely to yield intended outcomes. The opening of the Kosova Center for Digital Education marks a significant opportunity for contributing new knowledge and disseminating existing understanding, both to the global community and to the schools and families of Kosovo. It also represents an excellent lever for legislative leaders in Kosovo to accelerate change in a responsible fashion. As an advisor to the center, I look forward to sharing my experience and expertise in growing a research center from the ground up. As a researcher in the field, I look forward to partnering with the center to promote and advance student outcomes. Congratulations, and I look forward to being a part of your future.